Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we want to take a look at creating this elegant Mini Calla boutonniere. The Mini Calla is held on by the application of Uglu, and that is just going to be able to apply to any material. And you can see that all you need to do is just rub a little bit on the back and it'll stay on perfectly. We have a couple different bases that we're starting with. The bottom underneath is actually just basic cardboard. I look for a little bit thinner cardboard. Then I'm going to cut out a 2x4 piece of that cardboard and then apply different materials. So you have a couple different choices on this. We have a Tru-life leaf, or it's a plastic leaf. Comes in a variety of colors, even this rustic like birch pattern, and that's 6 inches long. Or you could do just like the basic satin ribbon here. I've got it in the black and then a shade of green, and this is a 9-inch piece of ribbon. So we're seeing more of that elegant black and white weddings that are happening, but we're just going to go through the process kind of. You cut out the piece of the cardboard, and then we're just going to come in. I've applied some of the Uglu. So I use the Uglu strips, and you're able to cut that into any shape with the scissors. And so you just come along and cut a couple pieces. So the 2 on the side I've cut already. As you apply it, you just run your finger on it really quickly, and that'll add enough friction to heat up that kind of wax base in the Uglu and allow it to adhere. So we're just coming in there and folding that back and that back. Then we're going to do the 2 sides. Just come in and wrap this like a package a little bit. And then we would adhere our Uglu to the back for the attachment to the garment. So now calla lilies sometimes are hard. You say, it's like, oh, I really don't do calla lily boutonnieres. But this is a way to really create a unique look, and it's really easy and simple to do. So I'm just going to cut the Uglu in half. And I am going to apply it right down the middle here, have that come off. Here I'll just show you that's how I wrap the black satin ribbon. Sorry, going backwards and forwards all at the same time here. But you can see how that looks as well. But when we come on here, the next thing we're going to do, it's just a 3-ingredient boutonniere. So I'm using the Israeli ruscus, some of the variegated lily grass. Now I'm going to put this on backwards so that when I flip it forward to create that sheltering effect, the front side will come up. So I apply a little of that on the bottom. Just cut off that stem. I've only got less than a half of inch. And I'm just going to come in and apply that calla lily onto that piece of Uglu, put my finger in a little bit, press down, and then we're going to add another layer of the Uglu on here. And this will lock your calla lily onto your boutonniere base. And you'll be able to also just take that foliage, come back and tap it in as a decorative element. I love how that comes across like there. And then we're just going to add one more layer and finish up covering up all of that Uglu. I come in here And this is where the Israeli ruscus leaf comes in. I'm gonna apply it here. And so just take a look at cutting that. We're gonna cut these at the same angle so that they add that repetitive decorative element there, and then just come across with that leaf and finish it up. So this is our elegant Mini Calla Boutonniere. I hope that you'll take this idea and create some fabulous florals.